Mishimelon.
This big orange looks different. Tap on all the small oranges to make a big orange. Wow, that looks amazing! We need to color the table and we need to figure out the fruits. Let's start with the orange. Move the orange to its right spot. Great job! And now the pineapple. Wow, you did great! Now the strawberry. Yay! You're all done. Thank you for your help. We have a new puzzle. Let's solve it. Solve the puzzle. A is for apple. Yoo-hoo! It's time to collect the fruits. Collect all the kiwis. Amazing! Let's collect all the raspberries. Great! And now collect all the strawberries. Yoo-hoo! You are doing great!
Please clapping! You are amazing! No?
I want some fresh fruit. Let's wash them. Choose a fruit. Wipe off all the dirt from the fruit. That's right. There are fewer dirty fruits. Choose and wipe off all the dirt from the fruit. Great work. Choose another fruit. Wipe off all the dirt from the fruit. Wow! There are a couple of fruits left. Pick one. Wipe off all the dirt from the fruit. Excellent! There is one more left. Choose it. Wipe off all the dirt from the fruit.
Oh!
Great job, buddy! Remember to always wash fruits before eating them.
You are amazing!
Look at all these fruits! I think it's time to make a fruit salad. First, give me a pear. That's right! Now, I'd like to have an apple. Wonderful work, friend! And finally, I think I need some strawberries. Yum, yum, yum! I'm ready to munch it all down. I love organization. Let's organize these fruits all in the right order. Put the right fruit into the right basket. Good job. There is more. Put the right fruit into the right basket. Fabulous. One more left. Put the right fruit into the right basket. You got it! Can you do it again? Put the right fruit into the right basket. Good job. There is more. Put the right fruit into the right basket. Fabulous. One more left. Put the right fruit into the right basket.
Wow,
You got it.
kiddies! You are learning good things. I am your good teacher.
How about a fresh, yummy smoothie? We need an orange. Where is its second half? Find the second half of the orange. Great! How about a watermelon? Put the watermelon together. Wow! Oh, we need a banana as well. Put the second half of the banana to get a banana. Oh, here it is. You did so well. Thank you. I'm so glad you're here. Please help me to solve the puzzle. Let's solve the puzzle to see what it is. It's a basket of fruits.
Oh,
Yummy.
kiddies! Oh.
Here are 2 yummy apples. They don't look very alike. Find 3 differences. That's right. Perfect. Only 1 difference left. You found them! Hooray! I need your help in sorting all the fruits into baskets of the right size. Let's start with the apples. Now let's do the same with the oranges. Now the kiwis. Thank you so much for your help, my friend. Good
Circle!
going.
Oh, clapping!
Bimmy is making a smoothie. This is a banana. The banana is peeled. This is an apple. The apple is crunchy. This is an orange. The orange is juicy. This is a lemon. The lemon is sour. This is a pineapple. The pineapple is prickly. Bimmy loves
Learn
smoothies.
amazing!
Something does not belong in the strawberry fields. Find the item that does not belong. Awesome! Can you do it again? Find the item that does not belong. Amazing! And the one last one. Find the item that... Very well done, my
kiddies!
friend.
Amazing! Wow!
Let's see how well you count. How many apples do you see? 1. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. 1. Great! There is 1 apple. How many oranges do you see? 1, 2. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. Perfect! There are 2 oranges. Here are some strawberries. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. 3. You did it! There are 3 strawberries. Well done!